Hello and welcome back to again new Google Ads content Google Ads tutorial. In this video you are going to learn how to create a Google performance ads campaign step by step. So before starting we are interested to know why Google performance ad is so significantly important. So I'm going to in Gemini and ask asks why should I run Google Performance Max ad campaign, Performance Max ads campaign. Okay, and Google Gemini give you a good answer. So key benefits, Google already say key benefits: simplified campaign management, consolidated platform, automated optimization, expanded reach, improved performance, machine learning power, high conversion rate, multiple channels, targeted audience, enhanced measurement and reporting, compressing insight and track key metrics. And also they say when to consider performance max, a broad reach, performance driven goals, trust Google AI. Remember, while performance max so I'm going to create a new ad campaign. So just click this one and click new campaign. Okay, after clicking new campaign, click sales. Our purpose is sales, and go to purchase. Only one goal is purchase. Then continue. After continue, click the performance max ad campaign, and here we can see Google Merchant Center. No, this Google Merchant Center is not ours, so we need to advertise product Merchant Center, but no Merchant Center here is found. So we need to use our tracksuit URL. Just we are trying to use our targeted URL. Just paste here and self performance max by Amin. I just write a campaign name. Okay, and go to the next option. So first of all we need to go and start a new campaign. After starting a new campaign, then you will get next interface of Google Ads. So our conversion rate, our bidding strategy will conversion. So only conversion or conversion value, then set cost per conversion. I will not set up, I need a conversion first. Okay, then I'm going to go to the next option. I need to target our location, so our target is UK. So I'm going to target UK, United Kingdom of country. Then I am going to create a new option, more settings, all day. Okay, we will receive a all day and go to the next option. So after going to next option, we are going to generate assets. Just click this one, and what happened, let's see. Okay, so we need to write our business name. Our business name is Essential Cloth Store, Essential Cloth Store. So just copy this one and paste here. Okay, then there has a when you run search ad there is a multiple ad group, but when you run performance max ad campaign, here you will get multiple asset. That means YouTube, Gmail, search, display, other ads. So if you want to get good result, then you need to set up great asset. Okay, so I'm setting up I'm going to set up all asset and back to video again. Okay.